disco.com. एक चींटी हाथी को भी डिस्को करा सकती है. This is the tagline or the premise of the upcoming film Sonali Cable. So please welcome the cheetie Sonali, Miss Riya Chakravarti, the lead actor in the film, and the debutant director Charudat Acharya, and our producer Rohan Sikri. Hi.
Hi.
Thank you. So Miss Cheetie, just tell me, I love that song, the Cheetie, thodi tikhi,
Chitty Chitty Bang Bang.
Yeah, Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, and that describes your character, I suppose. Is that true? थोड़ी सी sweet, थोड़ी सी sweetie, थोड़ी सी तीखी.
है बिल्कुल
है.
She is like that. She is actually a sweet girl, but she has to be थोड़ा तीखा बनना पड़ता है. वो गाली गलौज में विश्वास रखती है because she's a Mumbaikar, right? So you have to get your work done. अपना काम निकालने के लिए थोड़ा तीखा बनना पड़ता है.
Okay. तो ये दिमाग में आपने रखा था when you wrote the script and the title backed the role for her.
Yeah, see, it's a story of people who survive. No? It's a story of people who go and get their work done. They don't kind of regret not having something. There are people who do jugaad and they deliver. So that's the character. That's also which kind of is a microcosm of spirit of Mumbai.
Okay.
So yeah, we did think of a girl who's who's a common girl, but when push comes to shove, she's going to push.
जैसे मुंबई में डिग्री नहीं दम चाहिए, so she's one of those.
Yeah.
It's about passion, right? It's about your love for जो चीज करते हो. If you love doing it and you believe in it, it is that you don't let go of it. चाहे वो छोटा हो या बड़ा हो.
So you are the cheetie and there is the hathi, the corporate elephant, I suppose.
Then yes,
Mr. Anupam Kher.
Yes,
and he makes a very interesting character too.
He does.
So how was it working with him and fighting the elephant, so to say?
it was amazing working with him. Firstly, I'm lucky to have been able to do a scene with him, and in fact, I stayed back on set once, so to just stay and watch on the monitor what he's doing, even if I'm not in the scene, because he just brings life to everything that he does. Even if he has to move a glass from here to here, just the way he'll do it, you're gripped, you're hooked. You have to watch it. So I got to learn a lot from him, and he is the Hathi. वो हाथी अपने purest form में, and I think it really works because he's playing this role of a villain. At the same time, he's got that little like comic angle to it. The way he talks to you like you're a baby. You know, heart mein heart shining. You know the way he talks. So everyone just smiles when you see him, and then there's that menace, so you freak out.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's a perfect Hathi.
Yeah, in fact, I love that line in the film. You have come up with the last line on which the promo ends. ये क्या है? YouTube. खरीद लो.
See, the thing is, we were looking at creating a kind of quirky villain, and also something like Sonali, the villain who's played by Mr. Anupam Kher. He himself is he's not an English medium. That's what he calls MBAs. The people who he employs. He's a guy who's come up from the streets.
Yeah.
He's probably he's a guy who doesn't even use a calculator. Everything he's old school. It's a conflict between greed and a conflict between people who want to connect and coexist.
Alright.
So he's a
You've
guy.
seen it also, all our newspapers today. You see the kind of way the corporations want to take over. So Anupam Kher symbolizes that they want to control everything. They want you to buy everything from the cradle to the grave. That's Anupam's speech.
He says that.
So that is one philosophy. Sonali's philosophy is there's room for everybody. The philosophy of Bombay again, where she says it through the thing of Ganpati and all. She says there's room. लालबाग के राजा के लिए भी जगह है और एक घर की छोटी सी गणपति के लिए भी जगह है. कोई धकेलता नहीं है किसी को. That is the beauty of her philosophy, which comes up in conflict with this man who just realizes that this internet is a very powerful thing. I must control it.
And you have made a transition from that very Punjabi kudi to a Marathi kudi. Punjabi kudi that made it
Right.
Maruti, and now this very Marathi fiery girl who
Right.
plays and fights. How was that for you?
Honestly, I won't lie, it was very tough. It was very, very tough. Here in this office only,
You are Bengali?
I am Bengali.
Okay.
And in this office only, I had to go through like rigorous training and practice and rehearsals from Charu sir, Rohan sir, both pressurizing me every day. You have to perform. You have to get there. This is 20%. You have to reach 100. But we reached there. We did it, and now the final product looks amazing. And Sonali, I feel like she's Sonali when I watch her.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy, and I'm just just waiting now. I hope everyone watches it and loves it.
It's a very David versus Goliath kind of premise, I believe. So, what is your take on the being the David? You know, you're a first-time writer-director. It's a smaller subject than the regular run-of-the-mill subject, and you as a producer are looking at something very different from what you've done in the past. So, how do you consider your own personal battles as a David? Do you consider yourself a David in the first place in this?
I think with each film or each good film you work on, there's a reflection between what the story of that screenplay is and the story you experience in taking the film from a script all the way to an audience. So this is no different. I think it is about Cheetie taking on the Hathis. So it's a small film that can show a lot of spirit and hopefully will.
And did you feel like that, Charudat? What were your challenges like personally? Because you've been a writer mostly, you've done a lot of work with television and written for past 2 films with Rohan.
First time directing for the first time has its own anxieties and all that. But I think within the first few days of shooting, I was like, okay, I'm good with this. Initially, there was a little anxiety, but because we had also gone through a very elaborate rehearsal process, I was quite familiar with directing actors because we had gone through that. So all of it, and then we had very good crew and super backup in terms of the technical crew. They were all very helpful. And one thing, if you want to play director and try to throw your weight around, it's not going to help. It's always good to take help from all people on the set, and that has really helped. And then there was Ramesh who was guiding light. There was Rohan on the set, quite often helping out. So I didn't really face that kind of the anxieties of directing.
How involved was Ramesh ji?
He's always involved as on a bigger picture level, which is he'll read the script and give his feedback. So that is a process, and probably would say one of the big parts of this thing. Then on all stages we consult him, whether it's the casting stage, and I think that most concretely why he actually was a lifesaver for Charu on one of the days of the shoot. So that was really where
For us also.
Was it what I read about the lovemaking scene?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Please tell us about this.
So me and Ali were sitting with our legs up on a chair, really nervous, shaking our legs and all. How are we going to do this? And then
What
walks
is it?
in.
A kissing scene or a lovemaking scene?
It's love and there is kissing and there's. You have to see that.
Okay, we'll have to
Yeah, but it's come out really nice. You like it. Yeah.
And we were damn nervous and we were sitting and then we see Ramesh sir walk towards us like the sunlight, the sunshine. We're like, oh, he's here. And he comes and he said, what's going on? Follow. Went to the van, he took his vanity van, he gave us a little speech about how it's a normal thing. How it is just a way of expressing your love. So don't think too much into it. Just be the characters and go through with the emotion. Go through with the emotion. Don't shy away from the emotion because the physical aspect of it scares you. So he told us that, and then he said, in real life, when you fall in love, तुम लोग ऐसा नहीं करते हो क्या? Like, yeah. I said, then why are you so shy now? He said, okay, I'm leaving now. If you want, you can rehearse in the van. And Ali and I said, no, we're coming out with you only. But then that really helped because we went on set with an open mind, not judging a physical touch. Because it's very easy that so many people are seeing, you're like, hey, we don't touch each other. But technically, the emotion part is what is more important. So
Yeah.
it was great.
So who was more nervous, Ali or she?
Ali.
Ali?
She's not a bit nervous about
Ali
anything.
nervous. You were the fiery Sonali that made Ali nervous?
Yeah. I've never seen Alia nervous ever.
Yeah.
At least it doesn't show.
So your idea came from your personal
It
experience.
came from a personal experience. See, it's not just one incident. Like there was an incident where I had interacted with one cable center. It was a very ramshackle kind of place. There was a girl, her name was Sonali.
Right.
But that's about it. But the lives of those kids kind of sparked off this idea. And then there were these whole themes as Ron pointed out about corporate greed and this whole takeover business. So we put it all together and then I really applied to the lab. And it got selected fortunately and got superb feedback from that lab.
Wow.
It was brilliant and we had some of the top names like writers of films like Harry Potter and The Truth About Cats and Dogs and Shekhar Kapoor and Anjum Rajapalli. So it was a kind of mix of and kind of Amorous Perez.
They were the mentors.
They were the mentors. So from all over the world you have these diggers people giving you feedback, and it's a very protected kind of place where there is no commercial consideration or they don't want to put you down or praise you or anything. They're just technically telling you how you can make your script better. They're probing you, they're pushing you towards a direction where you can make it better. And then there were a lot of rewrites, lots I used to sit down in that office there and write.
Okay.
And my incentive was the great food here. The best food you can ever have anywhere in Mumbai is in this office.
Yeah, we must come there.
Yeah.
for some
You must. And come on a Monday.
Okay.
So yeah, so then after several drafts, then we were ready to go, and then we started casting and everything for it.
Okay. So for the casting, how did that come about? Because this is relatively newcomer. Nishi is not a newcomer, but somewhat, they have just done two
Newcomer only,
films.
yeah.
Hey, you've worked in a South Indian film
Right.
as well. So how did that?
I think it was auditioning and see, the title of the film is Sonali Cable, but as important are everyone around, whether it's Raghav, Ali, Anupam ji, Smita ji, Swanand. It's actually a superb ensemble. So it is about seeing 10-12 people together, and do they all feel like the characters? Because it's about not just the individual casting, but the chemistry that they'll all have together.
Okay. So now this is a woman-centric film again, and this year has been full of it. Queen and then now Mary Kom. So these are your two biggies which have stayed in mind. There was Bobby Jasus, of course, in which Ali acted. So did that give you more confidence when you decided to release it this year, or whenever
It
you
definitely feels so finally, it just is, I think we've got such a lovely, dynamic, evolving market. Women, unfortunately, yet don't buy as many tickets as men, but it's a number that's changing so nicely. We're seeing that. But I would say it's a story of humans.
Of course, because she's a woman, her responses are different. Naturally there are certain responses, there are certain ways of thinking which, different. Even if it were a different woman, she would do it differently.
Correct.
So this term women-centric is in a way okay for the trade and for such stuff. It is fine, but at the end of it, it's a story of triumph of the spirit of of strong characters.
It happens to be a woman, and that
Yeah.
makes it a better character for the script that he was writing. She's not a very girly girl. Whether it's Tudha, Maila, Tudha, the way she speaks, the fun of it. See, like that, you were talking about that dialogue. If a guy had said that dialogue, you probably wouldn't have commented on it.
Yeah.
But it's fun when a girl says it.
Okay. So on that note, I wish you all the very best for this
Thank
film.
Thank you so
And why
much.
don't you say that same line to the camera?
एक चींटी भी हाथी को डिस्को करा सकती है, बस सही जगह घुसनी चाहिए। और अपन कभी ऑफलाइन नहीं जाते, इसलिए हमारी फिल्म सोनाली केबल 17 अक्टूबर को जरूर देखेगा और उसे कभी ऑफलाइन मत जाने दीजिएगा। थैंक यू।